on to another breaking update that we are getting to know. Telangana being the latest state that has now announced a complete lockdown in the state. What is being said till now that it's a lockdown that will continue for the coming 10 days from 10 a.m. on the 12th of May, and all activities will now be allowed only from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. So essential services, we are getting to know, will remain open in the state of Telangana. Let me go across to Aneri now, who is joining us live. Aneri, Telangana now being the latest state to announce a complete lockdown. Give us the details, please.
Well, that's right. Now, Amita, when we speak about the situation in the state of Telangana, we have been seeing number of COVID cases rising day by day. And so, today at 2 p.m., there was a cabinet meeting which was called by the Chief Minister, and there was a decision taken in regard with the lockdown in the state of Telangana. Well, now Telangana becomes the next state in announcing the lockdown in the state. Well, starting from tomorrow, that is 12th of May, for the next 10 days, Telangana will be also witnessing a lockdown. Tomorrow from 10 a.m. the lockdown will begin, and also the most important part here is that 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. is the relaxation time during which people can go and buy their essentials and other necessary things outside. But rest of the times will be complete lockdown. The state will be witnessing. Well, since last 15 days, the state is already under the night curfew from 9 a.m. to 5 a.m. But amid the surge in COVID cases, we have been seeing that now the state government has taken a decision to announce a lockdown, a complete lockdown in the state for the next 10 days, starting from 12th of May, that is tomorrow. And also earlier we saw the Telangana High Court coming down heavily on the state government in regard with the COVID situation in the state.
Right.
As we have been seeing many ambulances which were being stopped at the Andhra-Telangana border. The High Court has questioned the government in that regard, and now we see that the state cabinet has taken a decision to announce a lockdown in the state from 12th of May.
Alright, so with many of the states that have already announced stricter measures, and now Telangana being the latest one to announce a complete lockdown that will be beginning 10 a.m. onwards from the 12th of May. Aneri, thanks very much. Let's move on to the national COVID headline.